Reprocessing instructions for air motors. Clean and lubricate the air motor as soon as possible after treatment. Failure to properly maintain the motor may cause contamination, leading to infection or product failure. Always use personal protective equipment before the process. Use disinfection wipes or an alcohol-soaked cloth to wipe the outer surface of the motor. Remove the motor from the tubing and take it to the contaminated area of the sterilization room. Thoroughly clean the external surface of the motor with a soft toothbrush under running water. Wipe it dry with a paper towel. Mount the spear-shaped nozzle that comes along with Panaspray and leave it on. If it's missing, you can order the nozzle using part number Z020010. Shake the can 3 to 4 times. Insert the spear-shaped nozzle in the drive air tube of the motor and spray for approximately 4 to 5 seconds after covering the insert joint and repeating the process if necessary until the outcoming oil is completely clear. Autoclave sterilization is recommended. Insert sterilizable components into a U.S. FDA-cleared sterilization pouch compliant to ISO 11607-1. Seal the pouch. Use this chart for temperature and timing. Immediately after the sterilization cycle, remove the motor from the autoclave and store in a clean and dry location. And the process is complete. If you have any further questions, please visit our support site, nsktech-us.com.